Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Locally owned, veteran operated business. Out on our first cleaning for the day, and as you can tell, it is the louvered vent covers. Only 3 doors are open right now. 3 doors are closed, 1 door is open. Notice we've already got some bending here. So we are getting some warping, and this is typically what we find when we find these louvers, is the buildups at the bottom where the doors aren't opening, and that's just because the improperly installed vent cover could have saved a lot of problems. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this out. This is fairly long run, and it's gonna blow right into us, so it should be good. We are a locally owned, veteran operated business. We are certified dry exhaust technicians. It's gonna be one of those mornings, it looks like. There we go. Three one seven 430-3993. 317-430-3993. Boy, weather's a lot different than it was just yesterday. Yesterday was 50 in short sleeves, and today is a hoodie, and I forgot my gloves. Well, I didn't forget them. I just can't wear them with this. Oh, here we go. Again, this is Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993, 317-430-3993. Reminding you that National Mechanical Code and NFPA says that you should get your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year. And I recommend you get it done by a certified dryer exhaust technician, so you know the work is done correctly and properly the first time. The funny thing about trip charges, I tell all my customers, is you know your dryer's broke, you know your dryer vent's broke, and you've probably had a company come out, an appliance store come out and tell you it's broke. But then you call these other companies and they're like, oh yeah, we're gonna charge you a service fee to come out, and we're gonna charge you a service fee to tell you that your dryer vent's broke. And the reason they're charging that service fee is because their prices are so high and they're so expensive. They're wanting to trap you. That way, when you say, no, I don't want to do the work because you're too expensive, then they can turn around and say, oh, well, I'll drop the service fee. And you still think you're getting a deal, when really you're not. But it's business, and it's how business works. But if your gut is telling you something's not right, go with somebody else. I mean, that. I think it's been probably 5-6 years since this has been done. and it's just a flowing. I mean, just there's just so much lint built up. This dryer has been starving for air for a long time. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. We're here at the end of it. 317-430-3993. 317-430-3993. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. And basically the way this problem was found was because it was causing another problem. And the problem was the furnace. The laundry room is in the same room as the furnace. So the back pressure of the dirty lint was causing the furnace to get clogged. So the furnace guy came out and said, "Ma'am, you've got a lot of lint in your furnace and it shouldn't be there." So that's when she did her research and found that Safe Dryer Vent Solutions is a 5-star business. 5 stars through the Better Business Bureau, 4.98 through Home Advisor, 5 stars on Facebook, 5 stars on Google, where we have over 344 5-star reviews, and we have 2 4 stars. Again, locally owned, veteran operated. We do offer senior citizen. We do offer senior citizen and military veteran discounts. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me. I'll show you.